Alright guys, there's a Deadhead coming from Greenport. It's coming right now. There's a Deadhead coming. You're gonna see one final train. It's coming right now. It's coming from Greenport. There it is. The Deadhead. Going to Jamaica. I'm gonna catch it right now. I'm at Deer Park and I'm gonna catch it right here. Yep, it's coming right now. There it is. Deadhead to Jamaica. It's coming right now. There it goes. There's the bells. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's finally on its way. It's coming right now. Here it comes. Deadhead to Jamaica. Here it comes. There it goes. 421's in the back. I just caught it. Finally caught it. That was coming from Greenport. This is Deadhead to Jamaica. I really just caught that train. Yeah. Yep, this was one final train I added. Since I saw it on radar. Just caught it. Came from Greenport. Going to Jamaica. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video for real now. Came all the way to Deer Park for that. Oh no. Anyways, I'll see you in the next. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, it's over there. Hold on. Oh, real cool Deadhead. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, goodbye.